Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show exactly how to clear all lens data on Snapchat. If your app feels cluttered or you just want a fresh start with your lenses, this is a simple trick that can help improve performance and free up space. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Snapchat app like you normally would. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are located. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. Now this is where you'll need to scroll a bit. Keep scrolling down until you find a section called Privacy Control. Under that section, look for an option labeled Lenses and tap on it. Inside the Lenses menu, you'll see an option that says Clear All Lens Data. Go ahead and tap on that. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to proceed. Simply tap Confirm, and that's it. Once you've done this, Snapchat will remove all stored lens data from your device.